Hey, welcome to Mirrorverse Education. Today, we're been looking at adding integers, all right? So, let's get into it. Today, we're going to simplify the following expression, -3 plus 10. All right? Seems simple enough. However, we need to understand what is being asked. We're saying that what is 10 more than -3? And just saying that, some of you may be like, oh, I know that. But probably for most of you watching this video, you're not there yet. That's okay. Let's use an example of football. So let's say you did a play and you lost 3 yards. Okay? That sucks, but that's okay. We have another play. On the next play, we gain 10 yards. So overall, you have 7 positive yards. That's good. All right. So from this, we can say that -3 plus 10 equals 7. All right. Let's look at another example. We got 3 negatives and we have 10 positives. If you remember that opposites make 0 when you're adding. So -1 and +1, -1 plus 1 is 0. All right. And we have 3 negatives and 3 positives down below that can cancel each other out, that add up to 0. All right. And we're left with 7 positives here. All right. So -3 plus 10 is 7. Let's go one more method. Okay. Let's look at a number line. All right, we've been working with number lines in our lives for quite some time. So, start off with -3. And we're going 10 more than that. So we're going to go 1, 2, we're going in the positive direction. And we're keeping it all the way up till we get to 10 more, which leaves us at 7. Yeah? -3 plus 10 is 7. We have the football scenario. We have the negatives and positives, all right? They all work. They're all different methods that work for you. Find the one that works best and roll with that one, okay? So this is if we have a negative and a positive that we're adding. The order doesn't matter when you're adding. It has the associative property. So if this was 10 plus -3, same process, all right? But what if we have 2 negatives? Well, like -4 plus -2. So we're saying, what if you combine -4 and -2? What's going to happen here? Let's go back to that football analogy. You lost 4 yards. That sucks. Next play, you get out there, boom. You lost another 2. Now you're in a rough position, all right? Because overall, you have 6 negative yards. And yeah. All right. Well, either way, tells us that -4 plus -2 is -6. All right. Let's look at this with, well, negatives. We have 4 negatives. We have 2 negatives. There's no positives here to cancel anything out. So we have 6 negatives. So -4 plus -2 is -6. Not too crazy, right? All right, let's go check out the number line. Here we go. Start off at -4, and we're gonna add -2 to it. So we're gonna go down 1, go down 2, and we're at -6. -4 plus -2 is -6. All right. So we have the football scenario. We have the negatives. Again, pick whichever method worked for you and roll with that one. All right. Make it work for you. All right. So if you want to see more examples like this or see what we're up to, visit us at mirrorverseed.com. Thank you for visiting. Hope you have a great day. Adios.